Good morning. Come take a walk with us. Let's go look at some birds. As we visually look for them, we listen for them, and count them for this client. So let's check this out. So we'll be keeping a list just like this, so that way we know all the species that we see for the morning. In addition, we'll be taking pictures of some of these beautiful species. You can hear northern mockingbirds in the distance. There'll be a red-winged blackbird here in a second, but those are wood ducks. There's the red-winged blackbird. Look right over here. There's a wood duck house. So I'm hoping we have a hen in there that we will inspect later doing the birdhouse surveys. Some of these are going to be difficult to see with the phone, but there's an anhinga perched over here. At the pipe there, we have common gallinule. Tucked in underneath that papyrus there is a juvenile black-crowned night heron. At the far end of the lake, you can see the white dot there. That is a great egret. And directly below it, you will see the lighter gray color. That's a great blue heron nest that has 2 juveniles. And yes, this is a property that we are on that is under construction. And down here at Lakeside, taking advantage, is a snowy egret. Can you identify that sound? Swallowtail kites. This is an adult, has much longer tail feathers. If this was a juvenile, it would have much shorter tail feathers, stubby-like. Here are 2 adults with their juvenile, playing with it and chasing it around. They come up over the tree. Watch, the longer tail feathers are the adult. The one that has much shorter tail feathers is the juvenile. You hear the blue jay? Northern mockingbird. That was a brown thrasher making that funny. All right, you see it? There goes a red-bellied woodpecker that flew by, but concentrated on this red-tailed hawk. Oh, and a northern mockingbird taunting it, trying to get it out of its territory. Hear that pileated woodpecker in the background droning? In marsh areas like this is a safe place for birds to nest. And right here in front of us is a juvenile green heron. It's come out of the nest. Some adult white ibis. In the oak tree here is a Eurasian collared dove in the background. And now in this tree we have osprey. One out there on the outcropping branch. Hidden right here at lake edge. Black-crowned night heron. An idea of what the sheet looks like from quantifying. There's our 32 species, a total of 260 approximate birds that we observed this morning. Thanks for joining me. Check counting birds this morning. A grand total of 32 species in an hour and 45 minutes on this wonderful property. June time, it's summer, it's very hot, so a lot of the migratory species are not even here, so that's a great count for us. Y'all take care.